One of the first things that we did when we saw this boom coming is we began a comprehensive planning process. We completed that a couple of years ago, and we've been implementing it since. Unfortunately, we underestimated to a certain degree the kind of expansions and how quickly they've come. Well, the 2000 census, we were at 16,020. And in the 2010 census, we were at 17,787. We've been able to ascertain that we think we're between about 26 and 28,000 people right now. Our growth rate now is about 5 to 6%, which has resulted in being the second fastest growing small city in the United States. In 2008 and 2009, we built 200 dwelling units in our community. 2011, 2012, we permitted 2,400. When you're growing that fast, it affects absolutely every service a community like Dickinson offers. A bust, if it is going to happen, isn't going to happen for years and years and years, and it won't be like it has been in the past. So quality of life structures, such as the ones that I've mentioned, like the community center, like the library, like the activity center, are all things that people want. And what we're finding is that families are coming to town, couples are coming to town, and we're really excited about that.